Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're having trouble with WhatsApp and seeing the message failed to process video, don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll walk you through several steps to fix this issue, so let's get started. First, check your internet connection. A stable and strong connection is essential for uploading and processing videos on WhatsApp. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or have a strong mobile data. Next, ensure that your video file is not corrupted and the format size of the video can also cause issues. WhatsApp supports specific video formats like MP4 and has a file size. Check your phone's storage space. If your device is running low on storage, it can prevent WhatsApp from processing videos. Go to your device settings, check your storage and free up space if necessary by deleting unnecessary files or apps. Ensure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. Outdated versions can sometimes cause processing issues. Visit the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for WhatsApp and update it if it needs an update. We hope these steps help you fix the WhatsApp failed to process video issue. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.